We're back. PPS is excited to be back in person, helping you to make pricing strategy connections from inception to execution. Hi, Kevin Mitchell here from Professional Pricing Society, and we would like to extend a special invitation for you to join us at the upcoming 2022 Spring Pricing Conference and Workshops to be held in Chicago this April. As you know, PPS events remain the world's largest pricing strategy idea marketplace, where you and your team can learn the latest in revenue management. This is a great place to network and to benchmark your company's pricing strategies with peers from different industries, from different models, from different geographies. So please come join us in person for timely and timeless pricing discussions with thought-leading professionals. We here at the PPS team cannot wait to see you.